Hello students, let's start our next chapter, and the name of the chapter is The Happy Prince by Oscar Wilde. As the name suggests, it's a story about a prince who always remained happy. So basic theme of the story is that outward beauty is nothing, the real beauties are love and sacrifice. Okay, whatever we are from outside, that is not enough. Moreover, you have seen that people in these days, they just emphasis on their outer beauty, but besides it, we should inculcate some good habits in us. We should work on our inner beauty, and that is love and sacrifice. We should love everyone, we should sacrifice for others. So let's begin our story. In this story, we'll read about a prince, and you know, prince always lives in a palace, and in that palace, sorrow or sadness is not allowed to come inside. So he never knows that a person can be sad, and in this story, the prince, he is not alive, he is dead. It's a story about his statue, which is made up of gold, very precious stone, that is ruby, sapphire, etc. Usually people call him Happy Prince because there was a smile on his lips always. As I have told you earlier, that he used to live in a palace, and as a prince, he never knows the sorrows, the sadness, the unhappiness of the other people. He don't know what are miseries. He came to know all these things after his death. His statue was made in between the city, that situated on very high tomb, and from there he can see the whole city, and from there he can see the miseries of poor people. He started crying, but he was unable to help them as he was a statue. So one day what happened, a swallow is a small bird, small sparrow, we can say American sparrow, we can say that. He plays very important role in this chapter. He acts as a messenger. He tries to help the persons whom the prince wants to help. Actually, Swallow was on his way to his homeland, that is Egypt, as winters were approaching, and before winter they want to Swallow wants to reach at a safe place. On the way, he met the statue of prince, spent night over there, and came to know the thinking, the thoughts of prince. This way he get ready to help the other people. They help many people, like a writer, a small girl, a seamstresser, and almost the prince gave away almost everything. Like he gave sapphire, ruby, gold to help the poor people. This I have told you earlier. The swallow was actually on his way back to his homeland when the prince had detained him to help. Every time when he said that I want to go to my country, I want to go my land, the happy prince said that please help me. He start crying and I want to help the people, but I am unable to do. Only you are the person who can help me. So please remain here. Please do one thing. Please do this thing. After that you can go. The happy prince gave away all his belongingness, that is ruby, sapphire, and gold, to help the poor people. Now he became naked and looks very, very dull. Now the winter approaches. Due to intense cold, Swallow dies away. And when the dead body of Swallow fell on the feet of Happy Prince, everyone can listen the sound of broken heart, and that sound was of Happy Prince. The Swallow's death broke the prince's heart. Both were perished for a noble cause. Both were perished, vanished, killed. We can say that खत्म हो गए. दोनों कैसे ख़त्म हो गए? एक नोबल कॉज के लिए. नोबल कॉज क्या किया उन्होंने? दे हेल्प द पुअर पीपल. तो उसकी वजह से, लोगों की हेल्प करने की वजह से दोनों ने अपनी अपनी ज़िंदगी दे दी. After giving all his belongings, the statue of Prince became very dull, and the mayor of that city, he ordered his men, his guards, to pull down that statue. The death was not the end. That was not the end of the story. Their death, their noble cause, their deed, the work they have done to help the others, by helping the others, made them immortal. One day, God asked his angels to bring two most precious things in the city. Just go and find out some precious things, two things from the city. And the angels came to the city. They find out everything. They we can say did a survey throughout the city, and at a dump yard, what they found? They found the broken heart of a prince and the dead body of a swallow. They took both the things and handed over that thing to God. God appreciated their work, their act, their deed, what they have done. When God came to know about their act, and he blessed the prince that he will remain happy forever, and he allows Swallow to sing in his golden orchard, or in his garden. This is the end of the story. I hope you understand this chapter very much. Thank you very much.